Why do we need sleep? The science of rest. It's bedtime, but little Lily is wide awake. She doesn't feel sleepy at all.
Why do I have to go to bed? I'm not tired yet.
Even though Lily doesn't feel tired right now, her body knows it's time to rest.
My eyes are starting to feel funny. Why does that happen?
Our bodies need sleep to rest and recharge. Without sleep, we would feel tired and grumpy all day.
Wow, sleep helps my body get ready for tomorrow.
When Lily sleeps, her brain works quietly to remember everything she learned today, helping her get ready for a brand new day. Sleep also helps Lily grow. While she's resting, her body is growing and getting stronger every night. And while she sleeps, Lily can have amazing dreams, like playing with her friends and having fun adventures. After a good night's sleep, Lily feels fresh and full of energy, ready to explore and play.
Now I feel ready for a brand new day.
Sleep helps Lily feel happy and strong, and now she's ready to take on the day. Every night when Lily goes to sleep, she knows it's time for her body to rest, grow, and get ready for another fun-filled day.
Good night, world.